Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Just delivered a rug here in DC. Have the client here and her puppy. So when we picked up this rug, it was initially water stained, correct? You had some water damage to it, and it was a little bit moist when I came and got it. You was concerned about the browning that it caused on the rug. And just so people know, this rug is actually viscose and wool put together. So it's a blend of viscose and wool. Very hard to clean. So would you say you're satisfied with the efforts?
I can't believe it. I thought that the rug was basically destroyed, and this would be a, effort to fix it, but it probably wouldn't work.
Right.
And it looks, yeah, like new.
Absolutely. And you just actually got this rug too,
I
right?
had just bought it, and then there was a rainstorm, and water came in through the window and totally destroyed it.
Okay. So overall, with the experience with us, would you say you will rate our services
Incredibly high, A plus.
incredibly high, she says. So would you recommend us to your friends, family, and all that good stuff?
Absolutely.
All right, good to go. Well, thank you so much, ma'am. I really do appreciate this feedback. It lets people know the kind of quality of work we do, so that way they can start using us from here on out. All right, Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners.